Using PPTO on Walmart. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to use PPTO on Walmart application. So let's get started. First, if you cannot work your shift, report your absence via the Walmart call-in line, OneWalmart website or My Walmart app before your shift starts to avoid attendance points. Then do not apply your PPTO before your shift begins. Wait until after your scheduled start time to ensure it auto-approves. After your shift starts, open the My Walmart app or GTA Portal on OneWalmart. Then go to time of request, then start new request. Enter your details, input the number of hours you need to cover with PPTO and select the reason for your absence. Make sure the hours match your missed shift. Then submit and confirm. Submit your request. The system usually auto-approves it by the next day if submitted after your shift starts. Verify in the application that your PPTO request is approved to ensure no points are added to your attendance record. And that's all. That's how you will be able to use PPTO on Walmart app.